Going all over the Access Bank's latest numbers, second quarter and first half of 2017 from Exotic Capital in London. Analyzing these numbers that came yesterday, says the second quarter of Access Bank was weak, but capital and asset quality resilient. Let's get more view of what analysts, it seems to be reactions are beginning to form a consensus here about these numbers from this Tier 1 listed lender. Rotimi Fakayejo from Enterprise Stockbrokers. Good to see you. Good morning.
Good morning.
Thank you. Let's go all over the Access Bank numbers. What's the market reaction when these results came out yesterday, and what's the pre-opening looking like for this particular stock on our market?
Well, the immediate response yesterday was positive. I think thereafter, when the results came, it gained about 30 kobo. But this morning, stock in the market is negative. A lot of the investors are actually opting to sell rather than wait for the interim dividend. The price trending now is about 10 naira, and it is actually struggling at that level. So we only hope it won't close below. I expect maybe some higher demand coming during the trading, and I believe that that may come, and they may be able to sustain the price at which it closed yesterday.
From all indications, it looks like investors and traders are not too particularly happy, let me put that very carefully there, with these numbers from Access Bank.
Can you say that again, please?
Yeah, it looks like traders and investors are not particularly happy, quote unquote, with these numbers from Access.
Yes, the result is quite good, and but what I just feel is that the waiting for the result is a little overstretched. This is the time Zenith Bank and GT Bank release their results. And they're looking at the improvement in the figures. I think it's quite okay. With an EPS of 117 we stated for last year against 138 kobo for this year. So that is quite an improvement. And also the top line, also in terms of interest income, is quite also a very huge improvement. And I think investors, even as they may be a negative reaction for now, I think long-term investors will actually hold on to the stock and take the dividend.
Any idea of what the dividend, interim dividend is like? I haven't seen that in the numbers.
Again?
Interim dividend, cash dividend.
Yes. Yes, they are doing an interim dividend of 25 kobo. And I think that is, compared to what you are getting from Zenith at 24 naira and the Access Bank at 10 naira, to me, I believe investors should see it as being preferable.
Well, so we're down now, as it were, but again, if you look at the operating expenses, that's quite not too positive in this earnings for Access Bank. Operating expenses moving almost 50% year-on-year figure.
Yes, and I think for me, relative to all the other ones comparatively, it seems to be better. But people want to be seeing the three of them, or the four of them in like manner. Don't want any per share is well over 2 naira. That is Zenith Bank and GT. But Access Bank is 1. A lot of investors, I don't know why they are talking that way, but it's affected the reality in the market.
Okay, Rotimi, we have the rest of the day to find out what happens to have a very long hours of trading until about 2:30 in the afternoon, about 3.5 hours more to find out how Access Bank will finish off for this day. Thank you very much from Enterprise Stockbrokers, Trader and Chief Executive Officer. And on that note, we wrap up today's edition of the program. We hope you enjoyed. I'll see you again tomorrow, Friday, 25th of August. Bye for now.